I can open the window. I can open the window. I can fix the light bulb. I can fix the light bulb. I can organize my desk. I can organize my desk. I can visit my neighbor. I can visit my neighbor. I can take out the trash. I can take out the trash. I can read a book. I can read a book. I can take the bus. I can take the bus. I can pick up groceries. I can pick up groceries. I can complete my homework. I can complete my homework. I can play the piano. I can play the piano. I can paint a picture. I can paint a picture. I can sweep the floor. I can sweep the floor. I can buy a gift. I can buy a gift. I can reply to messages. I can reply to messages. Please like, subscribe, and share.